Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Fine? We are going to start our term 2 portions. The first chapter in that is fractions. Have you heard about fraction? I'll write the number here 3 by 5. This is a fraction. How we can identify a fraction? A fraction will be having a numerator part. This upper part is called a numerator and this is called a denominator. Okay, denominator. So a fraction will be having two parts. Okay, a fraction represents part of a whole which is divided into equal parts. Okay, so out of 5, 3 parts. I will represent this with the help of a picture. Okay, so here I have a rectangle and I will be dividing it into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have divided it into 5 equal parts. Okay, this is 5. And out of 5, 3 parts. So I will be shading 3 parts. Okay, so how can we represent this? We can represent it as 3 out of 5, or we can say that it is 3 by 5. So this is how we represent a fraction. A fraction means part of a whole. Clear? And there are different types of fraction. We will discuss that. First one is proper fraction. Proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. Improper fraction. And now the third one is mixed fraction. Okay, we can divide it into 3 parts like proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. I'll give you some examples for this. So what do you mean by proper fraction? I'll give you an example. See, same 3 by 5 or 5 by 8, 1 by 3. All these are examples of proper fraction. So can you identify in this fractions, these 3 fractions, 3 by 5, 5 by 8 and 1 by 3, there is a common thing. What is that? The numerator is less than the denominator. So if in a fraction the numerator is less than the denominator, then it is called a proper fraction. For example, your marks. If you are not getting full, then you can say all the marks which you are getting are in the form of proper fraction. That is, if the exam is out of 25. If you are getting 1 less than that, then how you will be writing? We will be writing it as 24 out of 25. Okay, 24 out of 25. Then 24 is less than 25. So you just remember an example for proper fraction is your mark itself. Okay, there the numerator is less than the denominator. Some of you will read it as 25 out of 24. It is not like that. 24 out of 25. Okay, so the denominator is greater than the numerator. Clear? Now, if that is proper fractions example, then how can we write improper fraction? Just opposite of that. What is that? The denominator is less than the numerator. Okay, so I will write the same example, 5 by 3. Here the numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. In this case, numerator is 5 and the denominator is 3. Okay, so denominator is less than the numerator. So we can write another example, 8 by 5, 3 by 1. Okay, here as you can see, 3 by 1 is equal to 3, is it? 3 by 1 is 3 itself. So whole numbers, this is 3 is a whole number, right? So the whole numbers are examples of improper fraction. Or if you have another number like 4 by 4, okay, this 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So if the denominator is less than or equal to the numerator, then it is called improper fraction. Understood? So proper fraction means the denominator is greater than the numerator, and in improper fraction what will happen? The denominator is less than or equal.
Numerator. Understood? And there is another fraction that is called a mixed fraction that we will be learning in the next class. Okay? Thank you.